Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 320D MSPORT Xdrive Saloon here at your next car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior whilst talking through some of the features and options, and I'm going to make my way around. I'll go ahead and take a seat inside the car, but once we're there we can go through some of the interior features. The vehicle itself is presented in the Xdrive blue, and we finished the exterior off with a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alloy wheels we've had fully refurbished in the gloss black. They are the 19-inch BMW bespoke 19-inch alloys. At the front of the car you'll notice you see satin front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. Moving on down the side of the vehicle, you'll notice you see satin side vinyls and the satin side bars, and of course the Mperformance decal. You may just be able to notice in the windscreen this vehicle also does come with a neck-based dashcam, and that is included with the sale of the vehicle, so always a nice thing as it does lower some insurance policies. Interior on the vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which in the front has the heated seat function along with the electric lumbar adjustment. Interior trim, aluminum hexagon with the Xdrive blue. MSPORT sill plates. Moving on for a glance at the rear seats now, where we have the ISOFIX rear bench of course and the centre folding armrest, and owing to the fact we have an MSPORT model, it is the black headlining as well. Moving on to the rear of the car now, where we have the very nice satin rear boot spoiler, satin diffuser, and as I've mentioned, being an Xdrive we have that Xdrive badging there. I'll open up the tailgate for you to allow you to have a look in there, and as you can see there we've got a very nice spacious rear tailgate. Moving on to the other side now, where once again we'll just take a quick glance at how well these two colours work together before I head on inside the car, where we can of course have a look at the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting the vehicle up, we can take a look at the BMW Business Navigation and Media. We've got DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia functions. Of course there is the sat nav screen. We've also got Bluetooth for the telephone. As I've mentioned, there is that lovely next space dash camera, and as I've mentioned that does come included in the sale of the car. Always a nice feature to have. 6-speed manual gearbox, of course combined with that lovely BMW Xdrive 4-wheel drive system. Multifunction MSPORT steering wheel comes equipped with the cruise control function, voice and volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 59,000 miles and is in very nice condition inside and out. Okay, so that will finish off our short little walk around the 320D MSPORT Saloon here at your next car. Thank you very much for watching. We do of course hope you found this walk around video useful. For any further information there will be a link down below in the description where it will take you through to our website, where of course you can find out the information regarding pricing and finance for this vehicle. Thank you for watching, take care, goodbye.